Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Ned from That's Tac Pets, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of retail therapy when it comes to geek stuff. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm trying to get my kids into Magic the Gathering. I need to get a few more cards. I'm going to start out just with creatures, and we're going to ignore the effects. I know I have the lands, but I need the regular cards. So basically what I want to do is I want to go through these cards and see what we got, if there's anything particularly interesting. Now, what I'm interested in is a strange, like, J.R. Tolkien. Oh, the art. I love the art. Not on all of them, like, that one's interesting. Huh. Icehide Troll. But, like, things like this, what I'd do is I'd have the lands, too, and then put that down, and we just ignore this stuff and have a wonderful time. Now, with Magic the Gathering cards, there's so many. It's so easy to hoard, too. Destroy target creature. That's a standard black one, right? Geez, I love the art on that one. So there seems to be a time when they moved us to CG art, and the CG art just wasn't really frickin' all that good. Oh, I remember this one. So you can get some legitimately good cards out of here. You can get some legitimately bad ones, too. A lot of times we get these cards and I wonder, where did you come from? What's your story? How did you end up being in a set to being in somebody else's collection? Oh, I like that. It's nice when they change the borders around a little bit. Alright, let's bust into pack 2. Now, these Pristine trading cards, these Pristine cards, they've been at the dollar store for a while. You can get them elsewhere, too. But you can get different kinds of cards, like baseball cards. I've actually got signed cards. Ooh, let's take a good look at that one. Wow. Ragged Playmate. Jeez. That's creepy. That's freaking creepy. I love the art. Love, love, love. Julian Tomb. Draw 2 cards. Okay. Alright, what else we got? Destroy target artifact or enchantment. I guess green doesn't have a lot of removals often, does it? Oh, look, it's a Pokemon. I'm going to give that to my kid and say it's a Pokemon. Wait, how do you cast this thing? There is no casting cost. What the frick? Oh, is it a... Yeah, it's a trick card. Geez, I get so many freaking rules in Magic these days, I just don't understand it like I used to. Legit, that art, though. That art. A homunculus. Ew. Oh, geez, that's a homunculus? Okay. Oh, that is disgusting. Just put it in the graveyard. You may draw... Oh, I'm not even going to talk about a homunculus. No, thank you. Hope's Demise. Legendary creature. Demonic. Flying. Geez, you get so many different things for like a 3-drop these days. It's insane. Oh, here's our rare one. We have a Massacre Girl. Okay. Alright. Murder at the Masquerade. Menace. Get the special Hall of Foil. Very nice. Scavenge Blade. Doom Traveler. When Doom Traveler dies, put a 1 white spirit token. Oh, it's supposed to be like a ghost or spirit of some sort. Okay. I already have one of her. Yes. Oh, I like that. She doesn't look too happy. Why does she have a headset? Since when has green been technological? No, what else? Uncharted Heaven. Uncharted Heaven enters tapped. Add 1 mana of the chosen. Oh, of chosen color. Of any color. Okay. Never seen one of those before. Did not expect to see one in a dollar store pack. Death Touch. Any amount of damage dealt. Whoa, that's a 1-drop too? Okay, that's a cool. My kids are going to enjoy that. Attack the box. Oh, that is interesting. That is going into a separate pile full of strange ones that I want to talk about later. Short bow. Equipped creature gets +1/+1 and vigilance. Geez, what's vigilance? That's like first strike or something, right? Huh. Whoop, I forgot to get through this one. Now, this is a card that I really like. Jagged Badlands. It's just, you drop it and automatically someone loses a point. It's like, screw you. And also, you get 2 different lands types, which is freaking awesome. Bloody Entity. Maybe I should be looking through these and pulling some before letting my kids play. Ninja Woman, Unquenchable Whammon's Fury. She will poke you with the thingy. She will. Spirit Linky. Oh, that's an interesting image. It's hard to get good lighting for cards like these. Because they reflect so damn much of everything. Oh, the green Drake. Growing. Oh, wow, those images. You just go through these and just look at the images and imagine the stories behind them. And man, sometimes I've seen things on these that just kind of stick with me. A hawk. Yeah, that would be an appropriate one for a kid to play with, right? Artifact. Creature. Toy. Oh, it's another spooky. What is with all the spooky frickin' toys in this one? I gotta say, $1.50 for 15 cards is pretty good. You can't complain too much about that. I mean, for just a little project like this, it's absolutely wonderful. You don't even have to care about what the quality of the cards are like. Gets flying until the end of turn. Okay. Okay. Renowned Weaponsmith. I'm going to be doing a lot of flipping. Goblin Ringleader. There's so many different rules. Sometimes I get lucky and I get some old Ice Age cards in here that are pretty useless. Hunter's Sight. Time Warp. That sounds like fun. Okay, I know the storyline that one's attached to. Riptide. Love the art. Got a nice tunnel. Some Blight. Bedhead Beastie. Oh, geez, that's interesting. Okay. Are those Christmas lights? Okay. Something's going on in this storyline. I gotta figure it out. Something particularly. Thundermane. Snap. They've taken... they're going to take all shamans out of Magic now. Because someone got their feelings hurt. I can't get over how on every pack they say the enclosed cards are genuine and marked as legally purchased and repackaged for sale. They've been legally purchased. Why? What is there any other way to purchase them? Why would you... I mean, do people generally think selling Magic cards is sketchy? Is there something going on here I should know about? Cole, the Forge Master. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Recruiter. Looks like she needs to lay off the drugs. Shiny Tiger. Oh, a cat rebel? Oh, I need to make a cat deck. Guys, I'm going to make my daughter a cat deck. I have a lot of rare old white cats. Merfolk Wizard. The frick is that thing? These are your Hornet Queen. That's a rare? That's a rare. Hornet Queen. Death Touch. Holy frick. Death Touch. Flying Death Touch when Hornet Queen enters the battlefield. Creature 4/1/1. Oh. Oh. Okay, she's come to play. Wow. Step right up. What's this from? Open to attractions. What? Okay, that's from some set I've never seen or don't know anything about. Equip, artifact, stuff. Flying away without patience. Without patience. Nice. A kitchen imp. A kitchen imp. Coming in hot. Mm-hmm. Born to drive. It sounds like my ex's dad, the trucker. Thrill of possibility. Huh. Neutralize. Oh, that's a nice one. Irregular cohorts. Okay. Yeah, so I'm basically looking for cheap creatures in this. Because that will make my kids happy, and then we can play some games together. Cartian Javelineers. Herald of the Sun. Quartz. Oh, lovely. There's probably some things maybe I shouldn't. There's probably some cards. It might be best if I didn't. Light of Dawn. Whoa, okay, that's cool. Destructionoid, Inferno Titan. 6 until end of turn. When Inferno Titan enters the battlefield, it deals 3 damage to as many. Whoa, I like that. Inferno Titan. I love Inferno Titan. Good Inferno Titan. Yeah. Wait, is this the last one? No, there's one more after this. Okay. Fantastic of the Harrowing. Oh, Rooting Moloch. Rooting Moloch enters the battlefield. Target. So Moloch is the name of a god that the Christian Judeo Yahweh god either fought to replace, because there are other gods within the Bible, some that actually beat the Christian Judeo Yahweh at different times. Shadow Cat. Wow. I guess it's a cat. It counts. Counts as a cat. Fact or fiction. Reveal top cards. Okay. Murky, Seawater, and Tapless. Huh. Interesting land. Sometimes it's interesting just to flip through these things just to see. I bought a few of these and went back through them, and I found out that I actually had a few Lord of the Rings cards in there. It's like I didn't even know these things were out, or, whatever. Damn, that looks... Icy... Oh, guys, I got an Icy Manipulator! An Icy Manipulator back in the day. I had one of these in Ice Age. Huh. Okay, I'm just gonna put that aside. Audacious, the audacity. The audacity. Oh, Fry. The spell can't be countered. Fry deals 5 damage to target creature or planeswalker that's white or blue. Whoa. Oh, wow. Okay. Francis the Howling. Squeal, Goblin, Nabob. Okay. Yeah, we're going to be able to make something with this, that's for sure. So what I think I'm going to be doing is I will start them out with one color decks and creature decks. We're going to start out without any abilities at all. Then we'll move on to abilities, and then we might move on to enchantments. If anyone... Oh, that's adorable. I love that. I wonder if I can make simpler cards to make it look like or Peter Pan is fighting maybe the rabbits of... No, not that cartoon. Gremlin. Huh. I guess gremlins can be red. I always kind of thought gremlins would be blue or black. Again, I guess it could be green. What am I looking at here? Oh, an elemental giant. Okay. Steadfast Sentry. I ain't going nowhere. Vigilant. If it dies, put a +1 counter on target creature you control. Okay. Legit, I found in life that sometimes not even being really strong or not even going out and scaring people will scare people the most. What scare people the most is holding your ground. Just holding your ground, even if you crap your pants when you do it. When Dominant gives entry at battlefield, sacrifice unless you're... what? Your return... Unless your return has... Okay. Okay. Alright. That's a stretch. That's a stretch. Alright. Okay. Tome Scour. Target player puts on 5 cards. What? Alright. It's it's Dr. Otto Octavius. Check that out. Doc Ock. That's right. Okay, let me go through these cards and see if I see anything remarkable. So definitely look like something crazy, freaky happened in the butterfly deck that make toys go crazy. Uh-oh. Also, I gotta figure out what set this is because my kids are absolutely going to love this kind of set. It's just so innocent. It's lovely. I just love the borders on this. This looks like the owl, right, from Watchmen. I love Jagged Badlands because it's just like a screw you. I don't care about myself. I hate myself and you. Cole the Forge Master, just because it's a cool card, let's face it. And, ooh, it's a shiny kitty cat, right? And then Fry, this cat... oh, it's like... It's being serious, right? And then here we have our rares. Inferno Titan. The Hornet Queen. The Hornet Queen. So the Hornet Queen could kill an Inferno Titan. She wouldn't live, but she could defeat it. Okay, wait, 4 or 5. Oh, yeah. And Cinderglade. Time Wipe. Unquenchable Fury. Massacre Girl. So this one I pulled a few weeks ago, a Malevolent Chandelier. So I get it. I get that it's scary. I get all that stuff, but I'm just imagining. Like, you get a planeswalker over here, and of course he's gonna have like a Titan and a Hornet watching over him, let's say. And then he's going to be like, what's going to come at me? What's going to come? Oh, it's a chandelier. I think that would make everyone's head turn and be like, oh, I'm getting attacked by a chandelier. Holy crap. Oh, it's flying, so the Titan can't do anything about it. Oh, man. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me. That's it from Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Have a good one. Take care of each other.